Hi, my name is Charlie Coe. I'm CEO and co-founder of Gemsen. We have a problem. It comes from bad actors doing their best to hide in the data that represents $55 trillion in financial flows every day. In simpler terms, the folks take advantage of us through fraud, money laundering, and market manipulation. The daily cost is $41 billion. I can't think of a single person that hasn't been impacted by this, either in stolen money, identity, or sense of safety. If you work within a financial institution, you are doubly impacted since it hits your org's profits and credibility at the same time. The pain is frustrating because it's a daily scorecard and it feels like we're losing. How does this still happen when we have access to such sophisticated technologies? Yes, there are powerful machines that can find telltale patterns of wrongdoing within the data, but they can miss signals because one, they have a huge resource appetite. Two, they are slow to adapt. Three, they don't always play well together. To fix things, we use math to make these pattern detection models way more efficient, enabling them to evolve and adapt instantly while offering easy integration. This is in complete contrast to more common solutions that throw bigger data farms, more GPUs, and suck more energy to counter the data volume. So how does our technology help fight the dark forces that try to hide in the data? The tools we are talking about are machine learning models. By the way, they drive 99% of pattern detection in finance. In essence, every one of these models is built from a set of equations. These equations can be large-scale, complex, and slow to solve. We created a new paradigm where the vast majority of the equations to be solved are pre-computed, embedded into an extremely compact and secure abstraction that we name the Global Elements Matrix, or GEM. It's like taking a 10-step problem and immediately jumping to step 9. This is the difference between building a car before every trip versus simply getting in and driving. The GEM is powerful because one, it's extremely compact. Two, it's secure and unbreakable. Three, it's lossless, meaning it contains all that is needed by the ML model. To use the GEM, just follow some simple steps. First, grab your data. Second, create the GEM. Third, feed your models. As part of our testing, we partnered with FinTech Sandbox's data partner, Massive.com. They have an incredibly rich data set spanning a decade and a half of market transactions with billions of rows of equity flow data each day. Think of their data as a source of fuel for Gemsen's machine learning engine. Throughout our testing, we confirmed several outcomes. One, we're extremely resource efficient, taking up less than 1% of the compute and storage compared to standard ML platforms. Two, we cut down the model development lifecycle from months to days. Three, we run seamlessly next to your current tech stack and existing ML technologies. Here's the net effect. You get to run your models 1,000 times or 10,000 times in the space it takes to run once on more standard platforms. The outcome is that you have a powerfully efficient tool to stay ahead of the ballooning data volume and harder to find patterns. Now let's jump into the demo. Imagine you're the CTO targeting a shorter model development lifecycle. You want your data science team to accomplish a few things. One, test their ideas quickly. Two, deploy into production seamlessly. Three, access monitoring tools. Four, retrain automatically. So what does this look like? Start by loading data from any data source. Once the data is loaded, a gem is created. The gem is placed into a library for easy examination. From there, you can create a wide variety of models, including classification, regression, clustering, anomaly detection, and sequencing models. After selecting the appropriate models, you can directly deploy into our streaming workflows, where you can look at the live stats and see how the streaming data is changing in real time. One of the most useful features is performing automatic drift analysis to see if there is performance decay. If there is performance decay, you can select automatic or manual retrain procedures. The retrain process is extremely fast. After retraining, you can seamlessly deploy. This is real-time machine learning. I'll end this demo with the following note. Our platform is designed to help data scientists to test, deploy, monitor, and adapt with minimal friction. Let's recap what we've just seen. Think of us as a discovery tool that is also production ready. What does this actually mean? It means we're installed in Fortune 100 enterprises and that we offer easy integration via API or a user dashboard. We also understand that security is a priority and enable you to run our technology in the cloud, private instance, on-premise, or any combination of the above. Finally, we are extremely resource efficient. We're looking for testing partners to push the edge of what's possible in terms of data volume and speed, along with model evolution capabilities. The best part is that you can run us in parallel with your current systems at very low resource cost, and we can be installed in an afternoon. With that, you have a powerful tool. Much thanks for your time. Please reach out if you're interested in seeing what is hiding in your data.